Alright, the oiler has stopped working on my electric chainsaw. It's only using a tiny little bit of oil, and the bar's getting hot and it's binding up, so it's not getting oil through for some reason. So the first thing to check is the oil hole in here. That's clear, and the outlet from the oil pump, that's all clear. And I've checked the breather for the oil tank. That's clear. So I've flushed out the oil tank with diesel and made sure that's all clear. I'm guessing now it's probably the oil pump. So I'll take this cover off and that out and have a look and see what's going on. Because if I leave it like that, it's going to ruin the bar and chain, and it's not good for the motor either. It's because it's having to work so much harder. There's quite a bit of sawdust in there. I'll give that a quick blowout. Ah, yep, there we go. See, that's the oiler down there. It's got a little worm gear on that drive, and a little gear there. It seems to be still spinning freely. I don't think there would be a blockage in there because there's a filter in the tank. Right, I have flushed the oil tank out, so I'm pretty sure there's nothing in there, but we'll give it the blowout anyway. That seems pretty clear. Oh, a tiny little oiler. It's a bit sloppy. Give that a bit of a clean up. Yeah, there was a bit of crap in that side there, so that could have been what it was. How that got in there, I don't know. It's almost like it had come in from the bottom because it couldn't get in through there. There's a filter on the end of that. So, well, try that. That might have been all it was. See, the oil couldn't get around that that sawdust in there. It looks like you've got to get this lined up pretty well. So I think this little mark goes at the top, because there's a hole going sort of that way through this gallery up to there. So we'll leave that mark right at the top and press that back in. And pop that back on. With a petrol chainsaw, I would usually clean all this out and add a bit of grease to the bearing, the roller bearing in there. But obviously, being an electric saw, it doesn't have the clutch, so don't need to do that. before I put that cover on, I'll fill it up with oil and check that it's pumping. Right, that's a lot better. That's 10 times as much as it was pumping out before. So that was just a bit of sawdust in the side of the oil pump. I'm not sure how it got in there because it's got a filter on the other end and this is all sealed up. I bought this second hand, so possibly something the previous owner had done. Maybe when he serviced it he pushed a bit of sawdust in there by accident, but yeah, I don't know. That's a new one to me. Either that or that filter has got a fault and there's sawdust getting into it, but yeah, if it does it again, I know that's probably what it is. Yep, that's a lot better. I can see oil on the links now, so that's working well. If your oil is not working, your chain will look really dry and it'll get hot as well and quickly wear everything out, so best to get onto it pretty quick. Just tighten that up slightly. Yeah, that's good. It's a nice easy one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.